are intentional in the things that you do. You live a fit lifestyle. I do it my own way. All right, so today I'm gonna show you how I attach a lock. So this lock here, I had combed it out and I was going to combine it, but I ended up losing too much length and I just twisted it up. I saved my locks from when I did my undercut, so I'm going to use one of my locks to attach here. First, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair with some of my hair cream and water. I have the lock here. I'm going to just comb some of that tip out. I'm going to do like 1.5 inches because I've been watching some videos and I have seen that 1 inch to 1.5 inches works. And I actually did attach one of my locks to the front, and 1.5 inches worked out really well. So this is what we're looking like. So that's the top part. This part is just unraveling at the bottom, but it's all good. Now I'm just take this little piece here and just, you know, just unravel it a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit right there is good enough. Now I'm gonna go ahead with a, what is this? A 0.5 millimeter tool, and I got these off of Amazon, but I actually don't really care for them because these little pieces keep coming out. I gotta keep knocking them back in. So now I'm just take this piece. This is not a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all what I did and how I do it and how it has worked for me. All right, so I'm gonna take it up a little higher right here. Everybody's process is different, but you do what works for you, okay? So if you can see here, I have it up a little higher because this part is, remember I combed this out, so this is not even locked. This is just a twist here. So I'm gonna take the prong. Let's see, I'm trying to make sure I can get a good angle for y'all to see. And I'm just gonna go in and just move it back and forth. I don't know, it's hard to see, but I'm just gonna move it like in and out. I'm gonna take my time to do it, and because I want to make sure it don't fall out. So right now, it's not in there good, but it's holding for right now. So I got the start. The start is there that it's holding, and I just keep working it down. Let's see. See, I gotta keep pushing the thing in. And I just keep working until, and then I do my pull test to see. So I'm like, let me see. I'm trying to see if I can show y'all good. I'm trying to see. And I'm also like twisting it a little bit, very slightly with my fingers. If you can see. And then if I feel like it gets too jammed in there, I pull it out and just start over again. Look. Like it's in there pretty good, but it's still not done because that's, you know, there's still loose hairs that's connecting to. So we keep going. And I'm just moving down the strand and twisting very slightly. It became a natural motion. Like when you first do it, like how I first started trying to do this, it was like very challenging and annoying. And everybody else make it seem so easy to do. But after you get your natural feel for it, it does get pretty easy. I just work slow because I don't want to work too fast and mess anything up. And I also don't want to poke my fingers because this thing don't feel good when it poke up your fingers. All right, you see, we're getting somewhere here. I mean, I could, because it's like in there good, like I'm pulling it, but I still want to just make sure it's in there a little more tighter. And also, I use conditioner in my hair, so I want to make sure it's in there good so that when I do condition my hair, it's not slipping out. I mean, if it slips out, I'll redo it, but. And I'm just gonna keep working in this section. Look at that. E-pull test. It's in there good. There we have it.
As always, thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.